What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Supreme Crypto. We got some great news today. We got some crazy news too. And if you guys are new to the channel, I used to do a tech channel. Now it's more crypto based because of long story with YouTube. But if you guys want to see the daily market breakdown, I'm gonna put a timestamp in the description, or so you just click on it and then it'll jump you to the daily market watch, which goes over the charts, crypto bubbles, CoinMarketCap, who's up, who's down, all that. But I'm gonna do the news first because I think that's what most people want to hear. So first thing, we got Ethereum preparing for a bear trap ahead of the merge. ETH price to hit 4K next? Question mark. And this is on Cointelegraph. You guys can come and check these out. But basically, saying that could be a possible bear trap. I also got something else to do with Ethereum right here. The developers move merge hopes to August. So it could be good news, it could be bad news. You know, they might rush it. I don't know. I'd rather them take their time, get it right, do it correctly, have no problems, and you know, because with what we've seen with Terra Luna, it honestly has me a lot more bullish on things like Cardano, people who are taking their time, trying to get it perfect. Because you've seen what happens when you rush into it. I mean, billions and billions of dollars, tens of billions of dollars, gone, just gone. And that moves me into the next story we got. And this is just bogus. This is ridiculous. Okay, so Stablegains is a yield app. It's Stablegains. Faces allegations of misusing clients' money after losing more than 40 million in the Terra collapse. And it just gets crazier and crazier as you go through this and read this, guys, because what they're doing, or what they did, they took USDC and USD via wire transfers from customers, promising 15%, and then they go put it all in Anchor Protocol, and they just skim the extra 4% off the top. And what they're doing to their customers is bogus. Says, let me see where it's at. What they're doing, Stablegains is keeping the post-DPEG UST airdrop for themselves. And anyone who tries to withdraw to get the airdrop is forced to sign a waiver saying they're not liable for any losses. It's just ridiculous. They didn't tell any of the investors that they were investing in Anchor Protocol or Luna. They invested in it. They were skimming off the top, taking 4% for themselves. And then when it collapsed because of their bad practices, they're telling people they can't get the airdrop for the stuff that they paid for, right? And they're making them sign waivers saying that they're not liable for any of it, which is just ridiculous. Let's see how long before Stablegains goes out of business. Comment down below. Let me know if you've ever used Stablegains. I never have personally, so I don't know how they work. But if this is all true, which it's looking like it is, I looked into it a little bit. This just, like I said, it's bogus. It's ridiculous. They're screwing over all their investors. Why would you want to screw over the people who believed in you and gave you their money? That's one of the hardest things to do, is to get someone to give you their money and have you invest their money, right? They got to really trust you or trust what you're doing. And then you just go behind their backs and basically try to get rich yourself off their money. Don't give them any of the airdrops because UST is... or Luna's doing a fork, and then they're going to do some airdrops and all that for pre-collapse holders, and they're going to give some to post holders because a lot of people lost a lot of money in this collapse. Other people that lost it, says right here, we got Binance recorded a loss after 1.6 billion Luna tokens dropped to less than $3,000, which is ridiculous. I mean, that's crazy. One of the biggest losers is Hashed Ventures. They're a venture capital firm from Seoul that appeared to have lost $3.5 billion after Luna crashed because they staked about 50 million Luna tokens. And then we also got Delphi Digital has admitted a loss due to terror crash. The research firm and investor stated that it had misgivings about Luna and UST, but thought the Bitcoin reserves would prevent the crash, which a lot of people did. When Dokkan made that statement, he's got $3 billion worth of Bitcoin to back up the peg. It just invited attacks. Last thing today, I got for you, which is great news. FTX is launching a stock trading platform with stablecoins, so you can trade stock and crypto on the same platform. And this is what I've been waiting for: someone to do this right, someone to have stocks, which would be what would be awesome is you have stocks, forex, and crypto on the same platform. And if that platform worked good with TradingView, that would be definitely my go-to broker / exchange. But you guys can come here and read this yourself. This one's on dailycoin.com. And it's just basically saying FTX launching their stock trading platform. You can trade cryptos alongside stocks. And I'm not sure, but I think this is the first one to do this. Comment down below. Let me know if you know of any other ones doing this. But I think this is the first one. It'll say the platform will require its users to fund their accounts with stablecoins like USDC, USD, or BUSD, and Tether. And then you can go ahead and trade cryptos, stocks, all that. Again, this is something, it's great for the space. It just helps more people get into crypto and stocks. Other than that, let's hop right to CoinMarketCap real quick. Look at the biggest gainers and losers of the day. Well, first, Bitcoin's down about 4% on the week. The biggest gainer is KNC. They're up 40% on the week. They're doing awesome. The Kyber network. Then we got Monero, Cosmos, Clayton. What is this? Leo, KuCoin token, and PaxG. These are about the top gainers. Really nothing special except Kyber network. Then we got the biggest losers. Obviously, Terra UST been at the top of this. GMT stepping is up or down about 10%. XDC, Solana, Thor, Waves, Graph, BSV, Mana. We got a lot of 7%, 6%, 5% down. Okay, let's look at the crypto bubbles. This is the daily. We got a couple in the green. This is the top 200 coins, though, what I look at. We can also look at the top 100. Pretty much everything red. If you guys don't know about this website, cryptobubbles.net, great website. It's kind of like a heat map, but I like this one better. And last but not least, let's look at the Bitcoin chart. And I'm going to give you my prediction. Guys, this is not financial advice. It's just my prediction on what could happen. So this is the hourly chart. If you see here, right now we're at 28,890. And what I'm looking for is possibly a little move back up to come fill all this imbalance. And then a move down, maybe to hit this order block here. And then probably come up to take out some of this liquidity. And maybe head back down, take out all this liquidity. And just short out all the retailers. And that's just my prediction, guys. Comment down below. Let me know what you think is going to happen to price on Bitcoin. And we can also, real quick, look at all the markets. We got the dollar index up 0.34. Dow Jones down 1.6. NASDAQ down 2.7. S&P down 1.9. And oil's up 1%. Gold's up 0.1. Silver and palladium's down. Bitcoin 28,884 and Ethereum 1928. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Real quick though, if you guys are subscribers to my old content, I still have all the tech videos. They're in a playlist called Old Videos. If you want to watch any of my old stuff, they're still there. You can still do that. But I do have to switch up the content. I have to. So I'm sorry if it affects you. But YouTube, with the guidelines, I have to do this. All the Fire Stick content and all that is, they're just taking them down. They're taking down my best videos. And I don't understand 100% why. But that's why I got to make the switch to crypto. Something that I really enjoy, something that I study a lot. So I'm sure if you subscribe, I'll be able to get you on some great insights, some tips, stuff you probably didn't know. We'll bring you the news, all that, all the big topics that are coming into the space. And it's not just a crypto channel. It's going to be mostly crypto, but we're going to do stocks, trading, Forex. We're going to comment on stuff like that too. So if that interests you, hit that subscribe button. Check out all my social media. You can see down below on the screen. Other than that, I think that's about it. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll catch you in the next one.